Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin still dropping. Since I warned everyone at 65, we've dropped. We came down to 58. We're sitting at 59. A lot of people went long there on the Nvidia potential earnings, but it just came back down. People are chatting in the crypto guru chat. We've got 2.18 trillion USD. Market is still in fear at 29. Funding fee almost negative. Bitcoin sitting at 59. We had this big drop when I warned everyone to get out. We had this drop. And now, in my opinion, we're building a bull flag. But we're going to jump into technicals. And volume is actually dropping. So not looking so beautiful. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla. Hit the subscribe button. Smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and the market, Tesla was down a little bit, Google down, MCRT even, the rest kind of reset, I think, already. It already reset. Let's go into Bitcoin, 59,000. Not looking so beautiful right now for Bitcoin, in my opinion. It's forming, if we do this, we're forming like a bear flag that I'm seeing. Could even go like that. I'll go into the longer term time frames, then come closer in. So let's start off on the weekly time frames. Weekly time frame, Bitcoin still in a bull flag and still in this big cup and handle. So when the bottom is in, that's ready for a huge bull run. Massive cup and handle and massive bull flag on the longer term time frames, on the weekly time frames. Bull flag. But we are correcting a little bit here. On the Bitcoin Index Crypto Guru bot, still a blue buy, which it fired in $20,000 in February 2023. Get in the Crypto Mastercourse. Bitcoin Indicator bot fired a buy, sell. So it's fired a sell already. Let's go close. Stochastic and RSI heading down on the weekly very strongly. You get it all in the Crypto Mastercourse. I teach you how to set up all these charts. On the daily, Stochastic also coming down very strongly, but the price not dropping so much, which is nice to see. We had this first pattern that was playing out, which is a rising wedge, and that's when I sold, and then we dropped. So that rising wedge played out really well. Now we're forming some new pattern. Let's see what we can see. That rising wedge is playing out. We've got this new kind of pattern forming on Bitcoin. Trend line. Channel. Looks like a channel, and it looks like a bearish channel because it's rising. Rising channels like this, they're like this. Usually. It's a rising channel. Supports are, my trades are 56, 54, which I set yesterday. We came down to 57,800. It was very close. But what's interesting is Nvidia released their earnings. Nvidia released great earnings, beat estimations, and the market dropped. Nvidia dropped 8%. Bitcoin didn't pump. Everyone is expecting that if Nvidia released good earnings, the whole market would pump, which is interesting. Let's go closer into the stochastic and RSI coming down. Let's go 4 hourly. Let's see what we can see in the 4 hourly. Four-hourly charts, we've got this forming. Bullish pennant. A bearish pennant, actually. Looks like a bearish pennant. In my opinion, I stick with my trades. Volume is rising right now. We got a little spike in volume, but I still think 56, 54 is in play. 54, 800. Worst, if some very bad news comes out, 48K is in play. On the hourly, bearish pennant that I'm seeing here. It's bearish pennant, but it's forming a descending wedge, descending triangle. Volume starting to spike a little bit. I'm gonna see how it plays out. I've still got my trade set up. It looks like it could do this, to be honest, and come down to a major support. We're not getting such a strong bounce. So I'll keep my trades at 56, 500, and 54. First trade 56, it's a bit riskier. Tight stop loss. And then taking it back up to the bull market. Risk to reward 56 times. Risking, don't need so much risk on support. I would pull it back even a little bit there, yeah. So 56,249 opens, 55,825 stop loss, risking 439 to make $49,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage, $490,000. Again, where can you risk $439 to make $49,000? Amazing. That's the first trade. More risky, safer trade I would take off the major support at 54,800, tight stop loss, and same take profit target. Those are the two trades. This one, 94 risk to risking 543 to make 51,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage, it's 500. It will be $510,000 profits. But right now, it's these two trades. It's like risking 439 to make $49,000, and this one risking 543 to make $51,000. Amazing risk to reward ratios. Those are the two trades I would take. On Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Let's go into my charts, and I'm going to show you my trades, and then I'm going to answer your questions and look at Ethereum. Underneath the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit with this link. You get a $60,000 bonus, and hopefully you all signed up for the dogs airdrop. It airdropped. It was more than $1. You could have got up to 10 million. Like, people were very thanking me in the chat yesterday. Apparently dogs pumped. Sign up to Bybit. It's the best exchange, lowest fees. It's the one I use the most. Take the crypto masterclass to learn all this and set up all your charts, and join us in the Telegram. Now let's your questions. Wait a second, how is the Binance season account not being screamed from the rooftop? That is absolute criminal. It's terrible. So what happened is Binance seized Palestinian accounts, apparently, which is very terrible, on the request of Israel and America. That's why they locked CZ up, and that's why America kind of took over Binance in a terrible way. You think this is the last big drop before the parabolic stage? No, I think we go to 54, to be honest. With Bitcoin prices dropping as predicted, it's a reminder of how unpredictable digital world could be. Speaking, Free Durov, he's the Telegram founder that got arrested. Hey, transplant some of that beard on top of your head, balance it out a bit. I love my hair and my beard, it's beautiful. Hi James, why do you believe in Dogecoin? Because Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, backs it, calls himself the CEO of Dogecoin, the Doge Lord, that's why. And he keeps tweeting, he even memed about it last week. Hello, James. And the rumor is, everyone, what's going to happen with Doge? So right now, Twitter, X, got 36 states money transmitting licenses in 36 states. So what everyone thinks is going to happen, and Elon, if you research Elon and Doge, you'll see a lot of information about this. I've been talking about this since 2021 when Doge was at 0.003. We bought it. Doge, then Elon announced it. He was giving a lot of hints, and I predicted it. Went up to 75 cents. Who remembers that? Let me know in the comment section. And we sold on Buy the Rumor, Sell the News on Saturday Night Live. Who was there with me? But Elon is backing it. Hi, James. First of all, I want to thank you for everything you do for us. In previous videos, you said you'll come with a sale for your courses. I am beginner investor. The team is organizing a course. Damn sub, James. I saw your tweet on printed put you were in the header. Awesome. I just don't use social media. A bit hard. I'll read that. You are incredible. Thank you. Big buy order executed bottom of the drop. Bought some more. Beautiful. You already have. Elliott Wave is now definitely invalidated. This guy calls every freaking drop. James, you are the man. In the US, you'd be getting killed paying taxes short term, kills your gains. Pat, you can set up cool tax systems, like talk to a tax accountant and try to get a really good tax setup. Bang on, buddy. Thank you. James, you're the best. Thank you very much. I'm a little confused why I bought a little bit of Ethereum on the bottom in case it was the bottom. I don't care what anyone else says, but this guy is Nostradamus. Thank you. And just lots of amazing comments, everyone. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum 253. I need to get more information about when the bottom is in. Ethereum played out on this descending wedge as I predicted. Played out quite well. It came very close to my buy target on Ethereum. It came down to 2316. Sorry, we came down to 2389 and my target was 2316. Let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly charts, I have to recount Elliott's, to be honest. I need to recount the Elliott waves after this recent drop. Stochastic RSI still heading down on the weekly. On the daily, oversold, but still heading down. Volume a little bit weak. To be honest, I'll leave my trades like I said. I still think we can have some bad news that sets off all these drops. I mean, we were very close, but it could even come down to here, like where we were before, 290. where I bought it last time. I'm going to show you my trades over on Bybit, which I told you you can sign up my account. 609,000, 10.3 Bitcoin. It's going up in Bitcoin value this week from 598 to 609, so $11,000 this week, even though it's the start of the week. This is my Bitcoin trades. This is when for some reason it doesn't show the trades after a while. That sucks. I sold Bitcoin here at 64. We're at 59. I've got buy orders 10 Bitcoin at 54,800. I'm waiting for some drop to spike it down to get it. Also, these are my buy orders. I've got Bitcoin at 56,500 for 0.2 Bitcoin, Doge at 0.05, Doge at 0.07, 0.8, Uni 4.7, Uni right now is 5.7, Uni 3.8, Ethereum 2098, Uni 5.4, Bitcoin 54, Ethereum. These are all my trades. So 30,000 world at 0.98, 10 Ethereum at 2,300, 3 Bitcoin at 54K, 2 Uni at 2,000 Uni at 5.4. You can see my orders all down there. And now I'm mainly in cash. You can see 405 in cash, 66 in MCRT, 5K Uni, 5K Doge, 5K Ethereum. Let's look at Dogecoin because it was requested. But I really want to let everything play out. Just yesterday, Nvidia released amazing earnings and it didn't pump. It dropped 8%. The whole market was expecting when Nvidia released earnings that the market would pump. Longer term time frame on Doge, you can see this huge descending wedge, which plays out like this, builds pressure and then breaks out. But it looks like it failed the breakout, forming a bear flag, and it looks like it can come down to 0.07. So I've got all my buy orders. I'm going to leave all my buy orders to try and execute by themselves. Again, all the links underneath the video. Sign up Bybit. And also X, I've got now, I'm going viral on X, everyone. 87,600 followers. You can see here, my X is unshadow banned. Thank you, all of you. You unshadow banned my account. You can see these just people liking my post. 72 people like this post. I made money on this drop thanks to you. Love you long time. You're welcome, Archer. 70 people like this post. Yes, and you saved me, bro. Thanks, which is beautiful. And 102 people like this post. Should I buy Bitcoin early or wait for the 54 target? This is when I sold before the drop at 63. You see, because of the bear flag. And I said, should I wait to buy Bitcoin for the 54K target? It's important to keep your strategy. Last time you bought earlier, then it dumped just like you initially said. Wow, I'm so impressed you think alike. Same chart like mine. Always DCA, bro. DCA is the best strategy if you're not a good trader or like a pro trader. Buy half now and other half hit 54. Nice. Don't you think that 44K would be possible? Very possible. Always buy. Wait, as I said, 54, then a little lower. Too late. You got your last chance. I don't think there's never a last chance in trading. Good luck, bear. You guys are clowns. Don't like that one. I've heard 53K will signal double bottom. I agree. I think we need a double bottom. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the orders that I set yesterday, I'm going to leave them and let them execute. And I'm going to be defensive here because Nvidia releasing amazing earnings, beating estimates, and then dropping 8% after hours is showing weakness in the markets going into the November election. I will leave my orders to execute and I will try to buy fierce spikes as much as possible. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day and I'll see you all again tomorrow.